That thing's just sad. Oh, look, it's not attached because, you know, I touched it. We'll fix that too. Welcome to the workshop, everybody. Today's project is a kitchen makeover. Now, we're not going to do the cabinets. This one's budget friendly and something I'm really looking forward to. Simple moves that will make a big difference. We're going to revivify this kitchen. And even though I don't know what that means, we're still going to do it. We're going to tune up this counter. We're going to take the hard water stained faucet here, replace that with oil rub bronze faucet of awesomeness. The thing that is going to make the biggest difference is a new sink. The sink that's here now has reached a level that's essentially uncleanable. It's dark. This is where light goes to take a nap before it comes back out to make somebody else's day brighter. So we're going to put in a new sink, a shallower sink no less, that will create space in this cabinet and bring a splash of subtle color and texture. That's what this video is all about. I hope you'll hang out and see how we do it. All right, now I gotta go look up what revivify means. I'm working on the railroad all the live long day. Bag it. I can hear the whistle blowing and I'm moving stuff. Toilet remodeling on site. The supply holes for the existing faucet are smaller than the supply holes for the new Elkay faucet. So Andy has a trick. Let the smoke out. That composite paper countertop does not want to smooth out easily. Andy has other plans. I am so psyched to put the finishing touches on this bad boy. Oh yeah! And that's it. Makeover without the madness. The countertop is like it's brand new. It's obsidian in its depth and dark. And the sink, Elkay's fire clay, is the perfect offset to the deep black, but it's shallow. So not only can we work at a very comfortable height up here, but we've created space in the cabinet down there that we never had before. And this faucet is on the outside and the inside an absolute work of art. It is it's just a pleasure, and that's the point. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you do subscribe. Otherwise, we're done this project. Thanks for watching and hanging out. We'll see you on the next go around.